Go big or go home. Dyson Outsize Origin Cordless Vacuum, power, precision, and no tangles, all in one. Ready to tackle messes with the most powerful cordless vacuum on the market? Meet the Dyson Outsize Origin Cordless Vacuum, designed for those who demand high performance and high capacity. This isn't your average vacuum. This beauty offers a 90% stronger suction than the Dyson V8, giving you deep clean power that doesn't slow down. With a 25% wider cleaner head and a 150% larger bin, you'll cover more ground and clean longer before needing to empty it. From carpets to hardwoods, it adapts to your floor type and makes quick work of every mess. The Dyson Outsize Origin is engineered for efficiency. With a 60-minute runtime on Eco Mode, you'll get an entire house cleaned without the constant recharge breaks that come with lesser vacuums. But when the job calls for more power, just switch to Boost Mode for targeted, deep cleaning in those tough spots. Plus, the 3 power modes let you customize your clean based on your needs. Whether it's a quick daily sweep or a heavy-duty spot clean, it has you covered. And let's not forget about the one-click transformation into a handheld vacuum, making cleaning high, low, and everywhere in between effortless. What makes the Dyson Outsize Origin stand out? Its tangle-free technology is a game-changer. The digital Motorbar XL cleaner head removes long hair and pet hair without any hassle, no more stopping mid-clean to untangle the brush bar. The hair screw tool is designed specifically for those pesky pet hairs that seem to get everywhere, so you can suck them up fast and without fuss. Whether it's your pet's favorite chair or your car's back seat, this tool is a must-have for cleaning the hardest-to-reach spaces. And it's not just about hair removal. With Dyson's radial root cyclone technology, this vacuum generates 79,000 G of centrifugal force to trap dust and dirt without losing suction. The whole machine filtration system ensures that the air you breathe is as clean as your floors, trapping 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. In short, it doesn't just clean your house, it helps create a healthier environment for you and your family. Let's talk durability. Dyson vacuums are built to last, and the Outsize Origin is no exception. The lightweight, durable design combined with a 2-year warranty and lifetime support makes this investment one you won't regret. With features like hygienic bin emptying, easy storage with a wall dock, and real-time performance updates via the LCD screen, this vacuum is the tech-savvy solution for all your cleaning needs. It's designed to save you time, effort, and money, because you won't need to replace it anytime soon. Ready to experience Dyson's power in a larger format? Clean smarter, not harder.